Hey, so I'm making a VR game, and I thought I'd give a quick progress update on everything I've been working on for the past 2 days. This won't go on forever, as most of my game is uh, like level based, and I don't want to spoil too much. But I thought while I'm just working on the actual game systems themselves, I might as well do some progress updates. So here it goes. Now, this is very much work in progress. I'm not going to be playing it in editor. I've got to build out. The name is weird because it's a sequel to another game I planned making story-wise. Um, but then I scrapped that. But the story is still the same, just like condensing it and making it lore instead. So I'm gonna load this up really quickly. It's Steam VR. It's not gonna be on the Oculus platform, I don't think, because Steam VR is easy. So I'm just gonna load it now, and I'll give you a little run through what we got. Okay, here we are. Loading. We've got our Steam VR, and so I'm gonna change up the model, of course. Um, You might have just seen that go. This is the physical climbing show off, I guess. So we just wait for it to come back. We can grab here, and we move along with it. I was very proud of this. Of course, it's all physical, so you can climb up these ladders here, like a ladder, can do some pull-ups if you want. And then kind of the main event, what I've been working on for the past 2 hours, is this weapon system. Now, it's very temporary. I don't know if you can tell, the gun is very weird hand to be fair. But if we just do this, we can get it, grab it. You know, I'm not awake enough to talk right now. You can't climb with it or anything. I don't know why you would want to. Uh, you can like grab it while climbing. Another thing I need to fix is this. You can kind of just rotate. Uh, but it's pretty easy. It's also like kind of modular. So like, if I wanted to make another weapon, just go straight in here. This model I made, but it doesn't have anything on the top to show where it's shooting, so I'll probably have to fix that. Also, the trigger is tiny and off-center. Don't know how well you can see that on the video, but it doesn't look great basically. That's basically all I've got so far. Ooh, sorry about all the times I've hit the microphone. Maybe that's quite annoying. I'm also sat down, so the scale isn't quite right. There's obviously a couple of bits that still need fixing. Like if you get up one rung and try getting onto the zipline, it just kind of leaves you, um, which is awkward. Also, I don't know how well it comes across on videos. This weird jitter when you open up the UI. I should probably say that the weapon system is heavily inspired by Vertigo Remastered. I don't know about the original Vertigo. It might have been the same. Definitely the remaster. I definitely recommend checking out that game. It's my favourite video game for sure. I'm quite happy with what we've got so far. It's all very temporary. I mean, you can probably tell by all the glitches and whatnot. I mean, when I first set this all up, I was still getting. I mean, I was able to grab it with my other hand and everything. Because technically speaking, this is just an an interactable, which I'm just forcing into the player's hand and making sure it doesn't get disabled or whatever. Anyway, this is like the first kind of area where I feel like I could start working on the game, so I thought I'd give a little progress update. It's been 2 days? I mean, technically I've been working on this for months because I've written like I've written up everything I want to make for like the first kind of chapter or whatever, or level. I don't know what I'm going to call them. Up to the first boss fight, basically. I've already gotten that all written out. If you want some more like smaller progress updates, you can join my Discord. It's in the description. Sorry, it's been very what's the word? Hello, I guess. I've been speaking quite a boring voice. I'm just not awake. I mean, it's 1 p.m., but still. there's probably going to be a bunch more done by the end of the day. I'm thinking I'm going to make um, 2 more weapon models, and I want to make 2 more weapon models and some like walls and floors and stuff for the first environment in the game. So basically, the progress updates you'll get if you join Discord. Anyway, see ya. I guess. Bye. Thank you for watching.